So what we're going to do today is we are going to look at the Wedi Mixing Valve Flex Collar. And that's really a mouthful. But what this does is with your Wedi 100% waterproof system, you will take this and put it over your mixing valve. Now, you don't have to have this to make this waterproof. This just gives you a little bit more protection and one extra layer of protection, I should say. And what this thing does, it has a rubber collar, and the collar is actually angled down. So if water gets inside of here, it'll hit this collar and run out and run away instead of running inside of your wall. And it's very simple. You're going to take it and just put it right around your valve, and then you're going to use thin set mortar, modified thin set mortar, and you'll modify thin set mortar this in. You'll put the mortar first, put this on, and then put another layer around it, and then you can go over it with your sealant as well. But it just gives you that little bit of extra protection. So if I was rating this on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd only give it probably an 8, not because it's not a good product, but because you don't necessarily have to have it. You can make this shower waterproof and work without this. But if you want that little bit of extra protection, put this on. So do yourself a favor and grab yourself a collar when you're installing your Wedi product. Now, you may already have this collar in your kit if you're buying a complete kit, but if you did not and you're piecing your unit together, be sure you order your collar.